Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm very excited to unbox and test out this remote control rock climbing car. The car comes in a sturdy box with a plastic window in the front, allowing you to get a better look at the car's shape and color. Here, you can see images of the car and the remote control. And on the back of the box, you can see some illustrations of how to install the batteries. This remote control racing car comes with a suspension function. The suspension function allows the car to handle rough terrain more effectively. Inside, we find the remote control car securely packaged in polystyrene foam to prevent any damage during shipping. This RC car comes with 4 rechargeable batteries. The rechargeable batteries provide longer service without having to buy more batteries in a shorter period. This RC racing car also comes with a 0.5 meter USB charging cable. I have noticed that many RC cars come with a 0.5 meter USB charging cable. This RC racing car also comes with a remote control. The remote control features a simple design, with buttons for right, left, forward, and backward movements. This remote control provides a reliable and responsive connection between the car and the controller. This remote control requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included in the box. Now, let's take a closer look at this remote control racing car. Wow, look at this thing. It is really cool looking. As you can see, this remote control car has 4 big wheels and 4 lights. With the suspension system, this remote control car can tackle a wider variety of terrains, including rocky, uneven, or bumpy surfaces, giving you more opportunities to explore and have fun. At the bottom of this remote control car, you can find the batteries compartment and the on or off switch. The charging time of the rechargeable batteries is relatively short. I think, by now, we are ready to test this incredible RC car. I am going to test this car on different surfaces. This unique and exciting remote control car is perfect for anyone who loves the thrill of off-road adventures and racing. The car features a sleek and sporty design, and its body is made of high-quality materials that give it a sturdy and durable feel. I took it out for a test drive on some rough terrain, and I was impressed with how well it handled. The suspension system did an excellent job of absorbing bumps and keeping the car stable. This RC car is well designed, easy to use, and provides endless hours of entertainment. It is an amazing remote control racing car. I am very impressed with this car's design, build quality, and performance. As you can see, this RC car drives really smoothly on different surfaces. With the suspension function, the car's shocks absorb the impact, reducing the stress on the wheels and making the ride smoother. The car is well built, easy to use, and performs exceptionally well on rough terrain. I also tested this car on different surfaces like carpet and hardwood flooring, and it worked great on all of them.